Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I will share my running project. This is project very small, and this is a very critical and very hard project because homepage is very easy, but this is a future part and pricing part and testimonial. All everything is dynamic. I hope if you understand this, and I hope if you see my peachy skin, and everything is dynamic. This is a subscription pricing, and this is a very hard part. Admin dashboard. This is a dashboard. Click and hit dashboard and showing the total user, active record, documents, system health, recent activity. This is a very interesting part. For your website, recent activity, all users showing this part, and quick actions, add user, new user adding, and upload document. Your document upload the for your website. Add link, your link upload your website. System setting. This is a very important part, and notification part is very hard because this is for all user and post and login, register and activity and new post, upgrade, upload, all showing this notification icons, and click and hit notification icon and showing this user info. And this is search part. Search part not hard because this is a very easy part and some code. I fix this part very easily and very enjoying. This is a admin or user admin profile and admin name. This is a static, but I will be integrate the backend because but this dynamic. And user management dashboard is very hard, brother and sister. I hope if you see this part because this is a email and this is a role editor, admin, viewers. This part continue and control very hard, but this part is not hard. I enjoying this task. Add user, new user adding, and new user adding. This part I am not complete. And total user, active user, document and health system same. This is user management part. Total user, active user, inactive user, and administrator. Total administrator and total unactive user, total active user showing this card. I hope if you see this name and Gmail and rule, admin, editor, viewers, others, and create date. Add this user, create this account. This is a this time status, admin active, admin inactive. This is the edit part, admin or editor, admin to editor to viewer, viewer to editor, and I will be remove but delete admin. This is a record. Record dashboard is very hard, brother and sister. Total clicks, user clicks the other document, other product, and showing this part. First warning, this is the error part, other client, others problems, and field total issues. Check it ID, user or date of times, bytell ID, status, issues, location, actions. This is document part. Document part is very hard, brother and sister. This part, I hope you see this right. this part is very hard, brother and sister. This is a text and document active, expiring, actives, download, view, last send date, expire date, reminders, expires, all information showing this card. Links. This is not hard, but this is not easy. First of all, click and hit email and showing the user, and add a new link and URL. This is showing this part. Delete, edit. If you see this setting part is very hard. Full website not hard, but this part is very hard. So brother and sister, update, delete, and dashboard. If you need any website or any tags, please let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I love help you with your project. And please share your next task, share your website details, share your project details. Okay, brother and sister, have a good day everybody.